Use a pry bar to pry open the baffle on the passenger side. Pull out the trim panels on both sides of the cup holder. Pull out the trim panel and air vent in front of the passenger seat. Pull out the one-touch start. Pull out the air conditioning panel. Pull out the 3 plugs behind the air conditioner panel. Lift the cup holder upwards. Move the gear lever all the way to the back, then turn the cup holder sideways. Hold down the white button below the cup holder, and you can change gears without starting the car. Remove the 4 screws on both sides of the cup holder. Take out the cup holder. Pull out the 3 plugs behind the cup holder. Unplug the gray power plug under the head unit. Remove the 2 screws under the screen using an 8mm socket wrench. Unplug the blue video connector behind the screen. Connect our wiring to the original vehicle wiring. The wire passes through the rear hole. The module can be placed inside the bulkhead on the passenger side. When reassembling, ensure that the pipe behind the air conditioning panel is properly connected to the pipe inside the driver's compartment. Simply turn the clip to remove the panel beneath the driver's seat. The water pipe is at the upper right of the baffle. Connect the 2 pipes together properly. Put back the parts you just removed in order.